What's up, my crypto legends? In this update, we're just going to take a look at the king crypto, Bitcoin, to analyze what could happen to the rest of the cryptos in the next coming days. I am already telling you that this is looking pretty good. Okay, we're going to take a look at the 4 hourly, the 2 hourly, take a look at the major levels where we could bounce as resistance, as support, and analyze the situation here for the next coming days. Make sure to stay tuned. Hi there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe daily to on Bitcoin crypto, also to live streams to connect with the community, not financial advisor. Don't buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Let's dive in here straight into the Bitcoin price. But first of all, guys, if this video gets over 1,000 likes, do you comment down below? You are eligible for a giveaway in Bitcoin. Now, guys, nothing much has changed here. Let's just analyze the situation on the daily, all right? We do know that we were inside of this ascending channel, as you can see, and we have broken a major daily level that should be holding nicely as support. Now, if we do lose this support level, it is very likely going to get a deep correction. I'm talking about that 44.5k range where we could get a little bit of volatility at that support level and continue to the upside, right? It has been a major resistance zone. We finally did break it successfully with some pretty decent volume, and now we did get that bounce. So what we need to do now is analyze the situation here on the 4 hourly. Now, on the 4 hourly chart here, zooming in, okay, let's take a look at the price action from December till today, December of 2021, and we can see there are 3 big spikes on the VPVR that we have been talking about, right? This is currently why we are getting this resistance. We are getting rejected from that $48,000 big cluster on the VPVR. Now, the $42,000 range is the biggest one below our current price levels. We're currently trading at 46.1k level right now while I'm recording this video. Now, we do have the 2 strongest major support ranges, which is $42,000 and $44,000 range, 44.5 to be exact. That is the major daily level. This is why I have this green horizontal line, okay, which is from this range, daily strong closes at that 44.5. This is currently why we did get that bounce. Now, is this bounce sustainable? Does this mean that we are going to finally break this resistance zone? Well, I do believe so, because we did break out with some pretty decent volume, okay? There is pretty decent volume here on the drop, but this volume, right, this volume spike broke out from this major resistance zone very nicely. And this volume over here from this range managed to hold as support. So that was an incredible trade. I am actually in a long position from these lows, from the low $45,000, and I'm also in a short position from this $46,500 range. Now, of course, this is called hedging, okay? If we do come down all the way to this range and start breaking it, of course, I will be getting stopped out here at a small loss or a small or break-even price. But if we do start pumping and breaking this major resistance zone to reach the highs, it is very likely going to continue to the upside. Obviously, I'll be closing my short position in a small loss, and I will be riding this long position, okay? The stop loss compared to the long position, I will be already 3 times my stop loss, right? It's a 3-to-1 trade for a long or for a short, if that makes any sense. Now, I'm going to quickly go through the Margex exchange platform. Like I said in other videos, this is an upcoming great trading platform, gaining in volume, gaining an interest here from traders. You have a combined liquidity of 12 plus exchanges in one place, so they have sufficient liquidity. Bank grade multi-layer security, which is absolutely great. Security is the first thing you want for an exchange, and no personal details are required, no KYC. So just with an email and a password, you can start trading with this platform. If you use the link down below, you can get an insane bonus, $50 worth of bonus trading fees, and if you deposit 0.004 plus BTC, you get an additional $50 bonus. Now, once you sign up, this will take you to this interface interface, super easy platform like I mentioned on other videos. You have 5 tabs here on the top where you trade. At the left here is where you place your orders, limit order, market order. You have your leverage here, as you can see, 60x, 80x, you can choose your leverage, buy or long. Here they use the trading view platform. As you can see, you've got all the different trading tools. As you can see down below, you will have your positions, your position history, and at the right here, the order book to see the kind of volume and orders. They do have a bunch of cryptos such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, ADA, Solana, Uniswap. So it is very, very full on with different cryptos. Now here you have your wallet where you can deposit, withdraw, super simple. Here in settings, you can change your language or improve your security with Google Authenticator. You do have your referral program here also, and in support, they have live chat so you can get directly supported by someone of the team of Margex Exchange, and video tutorials where you have small videos to learn how to use this platform 100%, guys. So this is what I got to say about Margex Exchange. They have a great bonus down below. Make sure to review it, check it out, guys, because this is an upcoming great exchange that a lot of people are talking about right now. Now, what I want to show you here is that we are getting rejected. We did print a small swing failure pattern. All right, this is looking at the 4 hourly. We can zoom directly to the 1 hourly. What I want to show you this situation here, this is a great trading opportunity. Okay, if you can see right over here, the major support level that we did have back from the 28th of March till the 31st of March. Once you break like this aggressively, this massive support area, and you come back up to retest the support into resistance, it is also the 618 level like I showed you on other videos, right? From this high to the low right there, you are hitting that 618 level, okay, getting that resistance zone and finally dropping back down. You did get a big massive wick to the upside, and this is the kind of swing failure pattern that you want to take advantage, right? Where you do have this high over here from this major wick, you get a big candle coming up and closing below, okay, in the red. This is confirming you that this is a swing failure pattern. You could easily short this and protect your position just in case you are going to go to much higher, lower levels to retest these lows, right? It's a kind of a free trade right there where you could protect your position very, very easily, or at least take profits, okay? 50% profits, for example, that I do that a lot down over here where you do have this very strong support. This is where you are currently getting that bounce, right, from this current lows. If you were shorting this, take profit area and protect your position just in case you do get that ride down to retest here the lows of $44,000. Now, it's going to be very interesting in the next coming hours to see what is going to happen. Now, I strongly believe that we are potentially going to go to higher levels, that this is not going to be a success, okay? Lower high, and you are going to come down and retest these lows. And the reason why, guys, is because of the massive big ascending triangle that we were talking about, okay, on other videos, right? Where we do have these aggressive high highs. This is looking at the 4 hourly, okay? A very, very aggressive higher lows right there, aggressive higher lows, and you have a big massive insane resistance level that has been broken successfully, which is this daily range where you got that beautiful bounce. So in my personal opinion, it doesn't make sense that we are going to come down here and break it. I do not see this as a fake out. Of course, anything can happen. We are just looking at the probability side, but it is very, very likely to finally move back up, break the resistance, and continue to the upside. Now, this ascending triangle potential target is well above $54,000, but we do know that $52,000 is insane resistance. It's another area where we could potentially pay attention and take profits if you are in a long, because it's very, very strong resistance. Nothing much to add on this episode, guys. I am looking for that $44,000 to hold nicely as support and continue to the upside. We've got a beautiful breakout here with very nice volume, insane support at the 44.5k levels. Everything indicates that we should be holding this range and continue to the upside. Now, price action might be looking a little bit scary. I think the bears are pretty excited with this lower high, and they probably think that this support range is going to be retested and broken in the next coming hours. Potentially, I think there's a higher probability in continuing to the upside. And this is only my personal opinion, guys. Make sure to check out the Bitcoinsensus website. Here we do have the latest news and technical analysis ideas. Make sure to check out this information. The link is down below, totally free. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.